What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. I am here with my mate Juan. We're on the beautiful Eliminator bass boat. We're here at Bronkies Dam for a little bit of fun and a little bit of a review on the boat. A little later we'll ask John some questions on the boat and just have a look at his little setup here and tell you what the Eliminator is all about. But straight away in the morning we want to go and try and catch some fish. So yeah, wish us luck. Hit those thumbs up, give us some of those likes, and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's go fishing. How's the morning been started for you?
I've had one fish so far, 735 grams. Yeah, but we watch your YouTube channel. Did you say hi to my son?
Your son?
My son, yeah.
I haven't been, they were a bit too far from us.
Okay, yeah. Because he's also got his YouTube channel.
Which one? I've tried to support as many of the local...
That'd be awesome if you could.
No, well, you must just...
It's Crazy Angling is his channel.
He was playing with it for a little bit. Heavy. Heavy little guy.
They've got those photos. Zooming.
Not here.
Definitely not here. Boom, fish. And a keeper. Oh. Oh. That's how we snap me off. Snap me off.
Again.
Damn it. I thought my line started going this way. What the fuck? Right, well, we had an awesome day on your boat today. Now, just tell us a little bit about the boat. What's all done to the boat? Give us a little walkthrough.
First, I mean, that sucked, number one.
Yes, it was tough today at Bronkies.
That's fishing. Well, the boat, yeah, it goes. The stability of it is amazing. As you can see, we've got a huge deck space. And then, yeah, let me take you through the...
I mean, look at this. This is insane. I'm standing right at the back by the motor. All right, yeah. So, I mean, all your gadgets that you got, let's start with that. Like, you're running
Ultrex, 80 pound.
Ultrex, 80 pound, beautiful.
Ron's TI9 unit in the front with the maps, John Easton. And yeah, that's basically just a...
And then you've got your Lawrence here in the front. You've got a hot foot. Yeah. Very nice, okay.
Hydraulic steering.
Oh, that's awesome, yeah.
And then take us to the hatches. Got the center hatch.
Look at that space.
Rod latch.
You need some more rods. It's for when your partner comes, partner's hatch and Jean's hatch. 2 hatches, nice and deep, with padding.
There's
Very
12
neat.
rods inside there.
Very neat. There's 12 rods in there. Awesome. Then you've got a bit of a day box.
It's not very clean, but that's the day
Yeah, but
box.
we've done some fishing, so we were in and out of this box all day. You've got your little one over there for your passenger to put his cell phone,
All
bar one.
all the overwinds. You've got cooler box.
Nice deep cooler box.
A huge live well.
Very nice lava. Spare hatch. So dark, I can't even see it, but yeah, it's nice and deep. Same thing on the other side. And then your and the tank, batteries, chargers, nicely
Bilge
spaced
pumps.
out. Bilge pumps all in there. Very neat, very nice. You're also running the what's that? A Marina 200.
Marina 200.
Marina 200.
Hydrofoil.
Hydrofoil. Running a
Hydrofoil,
hydrofoil and prop. You still playing around with some props, eh?
Yes, playing around, but the 20 pitch prop basically works the best for the boat at the moment.
Awesome. Well, if you guys are looking for a new boat build, then Jean, where do they go?
Eliminator boats, Hurricane International for Bruce. Give
Uh,
him a shout and yeah.
Yeah, link will be in the description below. Very nice. Congrats once again. We've obviously had a video already with the boat, but today we wanted to show you guys what this boat is all about. So that's the end of the video, guys. Look, we had some fun. It was tough. It was cold this morning. We struggled with this morning. The wind was pumping. We got 1 or 2 fish in the morning, and then it died off, and then in the afternoon we found 1 or 2 rock piles and we picked up a fish or 2 there. I broke off on one. Yeah, it was a tough day. We decided to get off the water at 3 and take a easy trip home and come back another day. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hit that thumbs up, please subscribe and comment what you thought of the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.